YouTube, how are you? Good afternoon. Last video of 2019. Today is December 31st. And I am out here standing in my garage with only a long sleeve shirt on. It's almost 50 degrees. But here it is. Brand new mini excavator. And I'm holding a brand new GoPro Hero 8 Black with the image stabilization. So I wanted to just come outside and test out really the new GoPro. I'm not ready to show you the excavator, but boy, that yellow is shiny, so I thought it would make for a great quick movie with some of the other stuff in the garage here, XLS. But let me just spin this around. You can see me. Hopefully the new GoPro is keeping the videos less shaky, because I know in my other videos they were shaky from the older GoPros. But this is a 30-inch bucket for the excavator. So, and as I'm holding the GoPro, I'm playing with the settings because this is new to me. So anyway, let's talk about the excavator. 2020 Volvo ECR58, special ordered with the long arm. Every 58 in Pennsylvania at Highway Equipment and essentially across the country was in stock with the short arm, the standard arm, and I wanted the extra. It's only like 18 inches or 18 or 20 inches, but I wanted the extra reach. So I had to wait like 3 months for them to build this, and they are built in Korea. So I waxed the machine. You can see that. I've had the machine for about, I don't know, 3 weeks. I got it December 20th or something. But Volvo motor, nothing really too special here. I got some of the decals on. I have a big decal going on this larger counterweight, but just this thing's massive for what it is. 14,000 pounds. The blade has the float feature. Obviously we have the thumb. I kind of ordered this machine stripped down. Saved me like $7,000. It has a coupler, but it has a manual coupler, so I saved like $3 grand just by not having that fancy push button coupler from the cab. One of the things I really liked about this machine is lots of leg room, and then full-size pedals.
By going to dva.org, you can find out how to help people.
Not the stupid flip pedals. And then sometimes with the pedals, when you're pushing forward, you're hitting your boots against the glass. So here I have plenty of room to operate these pedals and not hit the glass with your boots on. Now obviously I do have the seat pretty much all the way back, and I'm not big. I'm 5 feet 11 inches, but lots of room. I love the feel of the joysticks. I mean, not a lot to really say. I got the keypad, so you turn the key on and then you put a code in to start it, which is an extra security feature. Who wouldn't love that? Because I feel like if you just have the key, anybody can start it and mess with it. But double sunshade, which doesn't really do much. These windows should really get tinted. They probably will. Super quiet in the cab. Very comfortable. Heated suspension seat. HVAC controls that you can't see. Turn a light on, maybe that helps. HVAC controls back there. If I turn on the lights, that'll light up. Now you can see it a little better. Radio controls are here. Auto idle, 2-speed, wipers, blade float. I don't know what that does. Radio selection there. The radio's up there. Has storage there. Not tons of room, but definitely plenty of room in here. Rear view mirror, that will probably get ripped off. But hold on one second. And you got your boom. I gotta really be careful because I have no room in here. But let me actually suck this back in. Put this back down here. There we go. Fold that in there. And my garage is 30 wide, and there's just enough room, 2 feet on each side here, to fit the truck in, the machine in the middle. Of course, the excavator will be leaving the garage soon. It's been in here for the last 2 weeks. I washed it, I waxed it, I have not used it on a job yet. The machine will probably be going to do a job soon. The first job for it, which will be in the first week of January, is going to be a demolition job, which hopefully I should get some video of. Demolition of a 24 by 32 house. But that's it. Let's jump out of here. Why is that still on? It's because the lights are on. Open this. This is kind of corny, the way they have this. This should be like over here more. This kind of is into your leg. But not everything can be perfect. It's also really tough to get in and out here because the machine is wider than the tracks. Sometimes the tracks are a little bit wider than the machine. But what you need to do is just park turned a little bit, and then you can step down on the track, but I don't have that luxury inside here. So other than that, just a quick video of the new Volvo. I got 3 buckets with it. I got the 30-inch bucket that you saw. I got a 14 and a 51-inch grading bucket. So the machine is 79 inches wide. It's 14,000 pounds. I don't even know what the horsepower is, but all in all, I'm pretty happy with it. Looked at several other machines, and this was the most machine for the money in this class. I looked at the Kubota KX57, which only came with 1 arm option, and it would have been shorter than the long arm. I looked at the Bobcat E63 heavily, but no more Bobcats for me, at least not right now. And what else did we look at? The Case CX60. I didn't like that when you sat in the Case, which is actually just a Hyundai, and you brought up your front windshield. The windshield would hit you in the head every time. You'd have to do a something like that so that the windshield wouldn't hit you in the head, which is just super nice cab, but dumb that the windshield hits you. So we didn't go with that. I thought the Case was very noisy. And the John Deere 60 was like 85,000. The Cat 305.5 was $82,000. And this was, believe it or not, significantly less. So it's going to work for us. New spreaders in the dump truck. I don't know if we talked about the new spreader or not, but this spreader is working great. And not much snow, so hopefully next week in January we get some snow. All right, thanks for watching. See ya. Happy New Year.